Hi everyone, I want to show you how to work with the Outlook calendar by putting things on the calendar in a very easy way. So again, I'm going to go down to calendar down below, and when I click on calendar, it brings up the calendar, and right now I have it in the month view. Typically, I like to see things in the work week, so that's what I'm going to click on. So it is very easy to work with a calendar, and now because I'm on Friday the 25th, and this is a Friday, I really only see options for this, so if I schedule anything for the past, it's going to reflect that. So what I'm going to do is up here, I'm going to click on this arrow, and I'm going to jump ahead a week. So now we've jumped ahead a week, so when I put things on my calendar, it's for the future. So on that note, let's say that there's something very simple I need to do. Let's say that on Monday, driving home from work, I need to pick up some milk and bread. Well, I'm going to come down here and click on 5 o'clock when I'd be leaving the office, and I'm going to just simply type in milk and bread. That's it. I just clicked on the area, and this calendar is right now broken up in half-hour increments. I click milk and bread, I click away from it, and I'm all done. Again, I apologize. This is a little piece of software add-on that I use that might pop up as I'm showing you these tutorials. That's fine. Just ignore that. It's related to something else. But having said that, now I've put in milk and bread. That's all you have to do to put something on your calendar. Let's take it a step further. Let's say we want to put something on for Wednesday, but it's a little bit longer period of time. Let's say it's going from 9 o'clock all the way down to noontime. I just click and hold and drag down to noontime. I can now type in 3-hour meeting, for example. 3-hour meeting. And when I hit enter or click away from it, it's locked in. And you'll see this little thing come up, and again, ignore that. So that's all you have to do to put something on the calendar. It's really very easy. Just click and drag for the amount of time you want to have the meeting. And then once you do that, just start typing in what it is, and now it's on your calendar. That is incredibly easy. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time.